Welcome to VP Culture lesson number 4. And this lesson is going to be focusing on the focus on thoughts. So let's dive into the meaning of this. So we have this chart, which is how we identify what emotions are. We talked about our physical dynamic last time, and this time we're going to be talking about the dynamic of our thoughts, either positive thoughts or negative thoughts. How to identify those, some good questions you can use and techniques you can use as a leader in a team and as a team member to draw this out. So, focusing on your thoughts. This is a little bit more complicated than focusing on your energy. So when we do this, we often have a lot of thoughts, and it's harder for us to characterize our thinking than it is to characterize how your body is energized. So it involves more complex processes, it involves vocabulary, and this is usually where a lot of people get tricked up. So I'm going to give you some techniques on how to simplify this and the patterns within your thinking that you might be able to use to direct yourself and others towards clarifying their thoughts. So here are two major categories that people are usually using in their thinking process. Now, if it's positive, it means I want to move towards it. That sounds exciting. I'm going to move my energy towards that topic. If it's negative, I'm going to move away from that. I'm going to take my energy and move away from that topic or that situation. So I'm either going to be really vigorous and moving away because I'm afraid or even terrified, almost what this person looks like, or I'm going to use my energy to push it away. It's like I can't run away from it, so I'm going to push it away. It's not fair. It's not good. It makes me angry. So I'm going to stand and sort of fight it, maybe verbally, and hopefully not physically, but sometimes even that way. So these are the two categories of moving towards or moving away that we can put our thoughts in order to help us simplify how our thinking is going. So you might ask someone, does this project seem like something that you really want to engage with? So that would be a moving towards question. So am I sensing that you're just not have enough energy or time to really engage with this? This is too much for you. I'm moving away. So those are questions that are helping people explore things. Do you have, you're thinking you have enough energy and time, and do you really want to engage in this project? So that would be something that, what are your feelings about this project? Does it fit with who you are and what you want to do? And that will give you either the move away or move towards kind of responses in their thinking. So the next thing that we need to deal with is this idea of observation or focus, and then control of our thoughts. Oftentimes, we're under the impression that I can control all of my thoughts. And I do some experiments with people in the live presentations that show how we can't really control our thoughts. It's really, most of our thoughts are coming from this subconscious mind, and they bubble up to the surface. And we try to control these things, but they've already happened. They're usually in response to trying to explain our energy, like I need to move towards it or away. And then we put some sort of thought that explains it on top. So it's better to observe this. So why do we say that it's better to observe this? So that we don't get consumed by those thoughts.